Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Sell with Shehreen. In today's video, I will show you a super easy trick to remove any background from your photo. No advanced skill is required. So let's start with the. First open your Google account and then type Canva. Once you type it, then click on Login Canva. Login your account. Just I like open. So you can see this type of dashboard appear in front of you. The second thing which I want to remove the background, I want to remove the background of a logo. So firstly I can check the custom size of logo. Custom size of logo. Use on website. I can type it and then click on enter. Now different type of sizes available on there. Always it is in square form, 300 width and 300 height, and then create new design. Because pictures available for me, I just want to remove the background of my logo. So this type of page appear in front of me. Now I can upload the picture. This is the name of my website and this background is light blue. I want to remove it, so I can adjust. Firstly I can adjust the name of the brand, and then it's a little bit tricky, but it's not impossible thing. So I can download it. Click download and click on transparent background. Once you click on transparent, it's means your background is removed, and then I can name of my logo, and then I can download. Click transparent and then download. One trick is this. I can teach you two ways how to remove background. Second one is remove background. I can type on Google remove background. This first one yellow website, click on it. This type of website appear in front of you. Now you can scroll down and click on upload. Click on upload image. I upload image, and this take a few seconds and your background will be removed. It's a simple, easy, quick way and free to remove. Now I can download it. Within just a few seconds you can get remove background picture. I hope you can like it. Thanks for watching.